The most profitable trading indicator isn't on your chart. It's hidden in the data you throw away after every single loss. Most traders think the edge comes from predicting the future. It doesn't. The mathematical edge comes from optimizing the past. Professional hedge funds don't just trade. They aggregate data points to determine probability, while amateurs rely on gut feeling. But here is the trap that catches almost everyone. Simply writing down "I bought Apple" is useless. A journal that only tracks your entry and exit price is just a diary of your failure. To actually turn this into profit, you must track the invisible metrics. You need to record your maximum adverse excursion, MAE, and maximum favorable excursion, MFE. ME tells you exactly how much heat you took before the trade worked, revealing if your stop losses are inefficiently tight or dangerously loose. Don't review these numbers immediately after the trade when your emotions are still high. Wait for the weekend. This is where you perform the subtractive analysis, identifying the one setup that consistently drains your account. Once you identify that losing pattern, you don't need to learn a new strategy. You simply stop taking that specific setup. By removing your worst 20% of trades, your profitability mathematically has no choice but to skyrocket. Stop guessing, start tracking, and the math will follow.